Hello, I'm Nadine Heights, immigration lawyer and co-owner of Caseflow, built on Monday, and I'm here to talk to
Sweta. So I'm the principal attorney at the law offices of Sweta. We are based in San Jose, California. I have a solo practice, but I do have a team that assists me. So I've been doing this for about 18 to 20 years now.
Sweta. Let me ask you a little bit about how long you've been using Caseflow, designed on Monday.
Probably one of your legacy clients.
Yes, you are.
So I have been working with you when Caseflow was called Tipsy.
Yes.
And it's been a long journey. But the best thing of it was that the Caseflow team or the Tipsy team was always part of it. You guys have really helped us navigate the challenges as we've grown, scaled, and sort of, even moved from our Excel sheets to a smooth transitioning to a case management system.
It's interesting that you mentioned Excel sheets, because that is what a lot of attorneys are doing. I find that they are supplementing their existing software with Excel spreadsheets. So were you able to avoid that now as you're using Case?
Yeah, I think it's also a transition phase. So until people are really comfortable with the new system, which they can only get if they use it often enough, we've definitely been able to transition. There is going to be a time when you will be using both, and that's a good thing.
Right.
That's a good thing.
Did you have any kind of resistance from your team? How was the onboarding process when you introduced it to?
The Caseflow onboarding, a lot seamless. It's streamlined. I don't think I've had experienced any resistance from my team. In fact, someone was mentioning that they are letting the team take the first stab at it, because ultimately they are the ones who will be using it the most, which is what I've done as well. My team has taken to it well.
That's great. That's great. Is it important for you to have something that is visual and easy to use and kind of intuitive? Because I personally find that that is really important to me.
Oh, of course. That's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Have you tried out any automations yet?
So I have not been building any agents or anything of that sort yet, but I've definitely been heavily trying a lot of AI features for smaller problems, like niche problems. To answer your question, yes.
Yeah, great. Yeah, that's definitely one of the things I love, is that when you have these small problems, you can immediately get them resolved by creating an automation. And a lot of those things you can do yourself. I know there's been some things that you have hired my team to do for you. How have you felt that process went for you?
No, I think it was great. I've been working with some of your older members of your team for a while. So I love Nisha. I think she's awesome. I think it's been an overall greatness. I'm now working with Sam. He's great too. He's very responsive.
Well, it's been a pleasure having you as a long-term client. I know we have had quite a few years. Thank you.
Thank you, Sweta.